Good afternoon, my respected judges, my dear mentors, and my lovely audience. It's a great pleasure for me to standing here today to share my experience about English fantasy. Myself, I'm Rakibul Hassan, and I'm from base number 36. My ID is 1449, and I'm a level 1 student. Yeah, I have completed my bachelor, and now I am trying to preparing myself for higher study abroad. And for this reason, I have a good IELTS score, but I was very confused and cannot make a decision. How can I do it? How will I do it? And at that moment, I knew about English fantasy, and after that, I came into English fantasy and discussed with them about my plan and problem. And after that, they told me about their 4-month basic and IELTS course, and I was convinced. That's why now I am a student of English fantasy, and I think it's a life-changing decision for me in English fantasy. For every batches, they are not only a teacher but also a mentor who helps us all day long in our classes, and they support us one-to-one and makes us practice us to continuous, and it confident us to speak confidently in English. Every day we need to make a short video which is based on our classes, and we upload it in our group. If we don't do it, we have to pay 20 taka as a fine. And also in every room there is another mentor who observing our all days activities, conversation, and if we speak any kind of Bengali word, and they find us again, and we pay 10 taka per word. And this rule pushing us to speak English confidently. For me, I think English fantasy is not a institute. It's a place where we build our confidence, our fluency, also better life. And if anyone is struggling with English, I would recommend it highly, English fantasy. And before coming here, I have a lot of hesitation in speaking English, and I could make sentences in my mind, but when I try to say it, I cannot speak it properly, and most of the time my sentence was incorrect in English according to English grammar. But within 10 days, I'm in front of you, and you may see the difference between me. And lastly, I just say one thing: if you before making a decision, you came to English fantasy, after that, that decision is yours. And that's for today. And thanks again, my honorable judges, my dear mentors, and my audience. Assalamu alaikum.